Hello guys, and welcome to this new video. Today we are going to talk about one of the most important functions of Python, which is the input built-in function. For example, if you are building a web application or a user interface, you are going to ask a user to enter his or her email address, a password, a phone number, a name, a family name, etc. To do that, we use the input function. So the Python user input can be read using the input built-in function. The input from the user is read as a string. By default, it is a string, and it can be assigned to a variable. For example, if you write a equals to input, enter a month, for example, we run that. For example, we are going to write July. After writing your input, you need to press the enter key. So we press enter and we have July. As you can see here, we have the month and July are attached. To avoid that, we can leave space between month and the last code. So we do this, we run again, we press July, enter, and here we go. So for example, if we write type of A, it will be a string. For example, if we are going to input two numbers, say b equals to input, enter your first number, right? For example, we write 1 and we add c equals to input. We do the same thing, enter your second number, right? And we write, for example, 3. Okay, if we do print b plus c, normally we get 4, but in here we get 13. Why? Because the type of b is a string, and also type of c is a string. What we are doing here is concatenation. When dealing with numbers, you need to assign them to, for example, as an integer or as a float. To do so, we can write for here in b, we can modify it to int input b, right? We do the same thing, we write 1. Also for the c, we convert it to an integer, int run 3. Now if we print b plus c, we get 4. Type of b is an integer, type of c is an integer. And we do the same thing if it is a float. For example, if you write b equals to enter input, so enter your weight, for example, in kilograms. We are, for example, writing here 78.9. So type of d is going to be a string, but if we convert it to a float directly, $78.9, you have a float. So this is all for this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.